What's going on, everyone? Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that bell notification button. Go ahead and tap the subscribe button to be notified of future videos that I post. Today's video, we're going to be talking about, well, I have the Panasonic S1H. I have two great lenses with it already. I have the 24-105 and the 24-70. The 24-70 is Spro. And I rented, I wanted a wide angle lens also. So Lumix has an S series Pro lens. It's the 16-35 wide angle. So I wanted to check it out, and I rented it from Lens Rental. I'll leave a link up here somewhere, so you can check that video out. And I wanted to try that lens out. So I went ahead and rented it, checked it out. I shot a couple of photos, a little bit of video with it, and I was, initially impressed. I still like the lens, but I went ahead and purchased it. And this video right here is just going to be just an unboxing. Let's go ahead and just get into the unboxing. This also came with a 77 UV filter, 77 millimeter UV filter. Lens hood. Carrying case. I guess that's what you put the lens in. I probably will never use this. Inside. Oops. And here's the lens. There you go. S Pro 16-35. Strange. Talking about build quality, kind of strange that, okay, on my 24-70, which is an S Pro lens, which also has this S symbol right here, red S symbol, it's like a metal. This feels like a plastic right here. Kind of strange. Maybe I may be wrong. But feels pretty good. I mean, this doesn't feel cheap at all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and put this UV filter on here. Pretty nice. I always want to protect that front element. I'd rather damage this than that. Also, right here we have your automatic. This is your focus clutch. That's in the autofocus mode. Manual. Just you want to go to manual. You're in manual focus now. just like on the 24-70. Well, this has been a unboxing of the Lumix 16-35 wide angle Spro lens. Look for a future video of some footage, some video, and some photos from this lens. And in conclusion of this video, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, so you can catch the next video that I post. Until the next one, peace.